This kettle is a great value for money and perfect for quickly making 1 or 2 cups of hot tea. Being a smaller capacity means it has a compact footprint and boils water in just a couple of minutes. It replaces a 0.5L Bonavita brand kettle that died after almost 3 years faithful service. This Proctor Silex one is comparable in most ways, but costs slightly less, and stands about an inch taller. It also features a corded base which is really handy for pouring or refilling the unit. No annoying cord dragging behind it. So far, I'm happy with my purchase and hopeful it lasts as long as its predecessor. I was looking for a small teapot for 2 cups for my tea, and I found what I was looking for. Very happy. I have been using it for several months and have never regretted it.